Back here at the arena in San Juan, and LaSalle staves off a late rally by Ateneo to pocket the second set. So we are on equal footing coming into the third for this matchup between two teams. One at 2-0, that's Ateneo, and LaSalle, the defending champions, at 1-0.
And the adjustment of LaSalle on the second set was just enough to take that set against Ateneo, trying to put the ball trying to have longer spikes, so to rattle the defense of Ateneo at the back row. As you can see, 10 attack points for Ateneo and 1 more for De La Salle, pero in the blocking department, none for Ateneo, not a single point, while La Salle having 2. In the unforced errors, they were able to neutralize each other on those many service errors.
Yes.
And yung mga miscues on the court.
Maranyo asking for it, but that's overset. But it's still a point.
Esperanza asking for too much on that lucky break once again on that overset.
So 1-0 now. And later on, of course, here on Studio 23, as we just talked about service errors, and Coach Ramil alos napahiga na dito sa upuan kanina. With that error, the LA Galaxy, David Beckham, Landon Donovan, Bobby Keane, they're all going to be part of that match against our very own Philippine Ascos, live and exclusive on Studio 23. Just like this match between Ateneo and LaSalle, as Ateneo scores a point off the block.
This is actually why Nakachi is in front for that skill, for that blocking skill, as she takes one.
Maranyo, walang humarang.
Oh, but it's rolled out with a check ball, so point goes to LaSalle. This time Maranyo on the line.
2-all.
Oh, that's going to be another service error.
Which gives us an opportunity to send it to Tiff Atetino. Go ahead, Tiff.
Thank you, Boom. Coach Phil, going back to basic instructions for the lady strikers. Isa-isa lang, magandang routine muna. Iset ang bola, tsaka natin paluin. Pag mababa ang set, huwag tayong babagal-bagal, bilisan natin. At pag hindi naman maganda ang set, huwag tayong pumwestos na hindi mapapakinabangan na tira. Hindi rin tayo pwedeng puro power. It all boils down to proper reception and execution on their floor defense. And Coach Ramil ended, huwag naman nating palakihin ng lamang, tapos magtatapon ng puntos sa service. Lumen Mosey.
Thanks, Tiff. 3-all.
Just too much errors at the service line. Ano may ma-minimize. Mabuti na lang pareho on both sides.
Tama. Camille Cruz with another one.
Oh, but that catches the line.
It drops in, yes. It does. Let's go to Trishka Echeverri now from the other side.
According to the Lady Eagles, what hurt them most in the second set was their lack of presence of mind. The coaching staff saw them playing with too much tension, which is why the main reminder for this third set is for them to play, to think volleyball lang to. Huwag tayong kabahan, let's just play the game. We're playing here in the third set, looking to bounce back, avoid dwelling on what could have been a 1-second set, and to learn from their mistakes. Lumen Mosey.
Thank you very much, Trishka. Yan yung echoing what assistant coach Sharo Soriano saying.
It's the game of volleyball. Nothing changed from the first set to the second set.
There's a lot going on in the net when you guys are watching live during the service action. There's a lot of talking, a lot of, not really taunting, but more of like psyching on each other in the net. Sometimes there's some taunting, of course.
Oh yes, that's all part of the play. Ngayon nga may rules na regarding yung taunting sa volleyball. You have to turn your back. Kung gusto mo magsalita ng masama, kailangan wag directly. Pero before, wala yan eh.
In other words, kailangan bastos ka sa referee. Turn your back on the referee. Oh, that's a great kill by Gretchen Ho.
Gretchen Ho, finally, doing what she does best. Ito yung iniintay natin for Ateneo, yung mga running spikes ni Gretchen Ho.
Points from Ziervasio, some points from Gretchen Ho to tie it at 5. 1 set all, 5 all. Cannot get tighter than that. Reception error from the second-year player, Abigail Maranyo.
Well, Maranyo not in the best stance in taking that ball.
Maranyo galing Dasma naman. The LSU Dasma. Z again.
Oh, and a poor second serve again from Z Herbacio.
It's really the risk there with that kind
Yes,
of a serve.
that's right. Yung jump serve especially, padami na ng padami yan. Pahirap na ng pahirap because it really needs a lot of energy.
The toss has to be right. May spin pa yung toss, ano?
Yes.
Yung iba, wala. Pero sa kanya, meron. Chance for Lasal here. Cruz. Saved by Ferrer. They go back to Kainglet. Single blocker. Esperanza on the second touch. Finding a gaping hole.
And you know, Esperanza's arm was already way stretched. So you knew that it was coming already, but no one in
Hindi niya
that
itinago.
Ateneo side.
In other words, hindi niya
Yes.
tinago the most.
Masyado pang bata for that trick, di ba? Pero eventually, for sure.
With her height,
Yes, matututunan din niya yung trick na yun.
Kainglet with the fierce reaction after her kill.
That's right. You can see a little bit of frustration now on the face of Phil Kainglet. Of course, wanting to win this one for sure for Coach Roger in the absence of Coach Roger Gorayab.
Roger Correab, we can practically say for personal reasons, not here to coach this crucial game as DLSU gets to the technical timeout first.